everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So I want to do a flip through today of my jean and flannel junk journal, and if you guys have followed along, I want to thank you guys. This was such a fun project to make together, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And if you have not seen it yet, I will put it on a playlist at the end screen, and you guys can click on it and get caught up with us. So this was just so much fun, and I'm going to do a quick flip through, and the Etsy link will be down below so you guys can come check it out and you can purchase it. All right, so let's see. And even if you guys don't come and purchase it, if you come favor my shop, my Etsy shop, Snowstorm Crafts, it helps me out so much. If you just push the heart button, little heart, it really helps me out. So this is the front, and we just did some fun little ripping and tearing out the jean and pop some sunflowers through with some feathers and threads. So I think that turned out so much fun with just the denim and then the flannel coming through and some buttons and clusters. So just so much fun things happening. Okay, and then in here I got a little pocket from our jeans and a little cluster here with our sunflower and flannel and lace, and got some goodies here in the pocket. So some fun things to play with. And then over here, I love this. I think that turned out really fun. And then I just have some things in here I just thought was really cute. And then some journaling spots here. Different things to journal on. And our fun little burrito cluster. That's what I called this. And that is definitely in our playlist if you come check it out. And our little tea bag, our paperclip hidden pocket tea bag here. And like I said, everything I'm showing you guys will be in the playlist. I did a playlist for everything to show you guys how to make all this. But it's just so much fun. They just go right in there. These all decorated, the little tea string. Okay. And then got some papers in here to journal on. Our fun little owl. And I just did some beads, just a wooden bead. And there's a lot of the papers are tea dyed, coffee dyed, avocado dyed, onion skin dyed. So different things happening here. And this was really fun to make. This is made out of a closed tag. And it is a closed tag hidden paper clip. So you can just clip it wherever you want. And we got some pockets here. Some fun journaling spots. Some stickers. Just some fun little things to play with. Got a little hidden, fun little pocket here. Not really hidden, I guess. You can see through it, but just a fun little pocket. A journaling card. This was fun to make too. Got our little feathers, another little burrito cluster. And you can open it up and have some journaling spots. So it's just a little booklet here. I just clip to the page so it can come off and you can journal back here. So we got more little journaling spots. I wanted to make sure to have enough just journaling spots in here for whoever purchases it. then this was fun to make. I showed you guys how to make this out of a Kleenex box and some clothes tags. So it's just a cute little journaling card, and you can just take it and clip it in wherever you want. And then the back pocket here, I just thought this was really cool. So more spots to journal on. That's the back of it. So there we go, and I love the little balls and stuff on the side with some lace and just some layering. And we got some more beads here in the middle of the signature, just wooden beads, little danglers. And we got a cute little key here with a bulb pin and some beads on it. So that's really fun. And that's the back of it here. And then there's the spine. So there we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And come check out the playlist. It's really fun, and you guys can do your version of some, you know, because these are like an old pair of my son's jeans and an old flannel from my husband. And you could just find some clothes around the house that you have and do some fun little things with it. So I hope you guys found this inspiring. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.